So I thought I would give you a little talk through about how to access the forum on the website. So if you go to harmonicaschool.com, I'll show you where it all is. So if you go up to the top right hand corner of the homepage after you've logged in, so it's really important that you've logged in, you'll see here there's this little icon. What you might be seeing is a picture of yourself if you've put a picture up, but I haven't put a picture up, so I've just got the generic head icon. So if you click on that, it'll give you a little drop-down menu. You'll see that there's Edit Profile, Manage Subscriptions, Add/Change Credit Card, and Forum. So Forum is what we want to click on. So if you click on Forum, it will take you to the forum. And if you haven't tried to do this already, then what it'll do, it will give you a notification saying that you need to be accepted into the forum. So when that happens, I will get a notification and I will accept you, and I'll only need to do that once, and then you'll have access to it, and you'll be notified when I do that. So imagining that you've got access to the forum now, let's have a look at how you use it. So you'll see that the forum is broken into three main areas. So we have harmonica questions. So that's going to be where you post your questions about harmonica, and I will answer them each week in the Q&A session. So that's where you post your questions for that. Then the next category is student submissions. So this is the one that I think is going to be exceedingly useful, because I've split it into 4 different levels. So we have beginner students, advanced beginner students, intermediate students, and advanced intermediate students. So let's have a look at this, and I will kind of talk you through how you can post a recording into there. So we click on student submission, and then click on what level you are at. So let's imagine that we are an intermediate student. So if you click on that, see here it says category doesn't have any topics yet because no one's posted any. That's totally fine. So if you create a topic, what I would do, I would say kind of what date it is today that you're doing your submission. So today is the 20th of September. So I will write that down. Tomlin submission. And here, if you just write a little bit about what you've been doing, so for example, intermediate month 4, lick 3, for example, and then what you're going to do is you're going to upload your video, and the way that you do that is you'll click this attach file, and if you have a video, you can then find it and upload it. I don't have any videos prepared, so I'm not going to do that, but that's how you will upload your video straight to the forum. And then you click post, and that will be posted there, and everyone will be able to see it. I'll be able to see it, and I'll be able to give you some feedback. Okay, so let's go back to the forum homepage. So if I click on Tomlin Harmonica School, you'll see that here we have general. So this is fairly self-explanatory. This is where you can write anything harmonica related, any kind of general chat. If you have a look down here, we'll see that Alexander has created some great starter topics. So things like original and improv recordings. So that's where you can post anything that you've written or improvised. Or song request tutorials. So this is where you can post any requests that you have for me to do lessons on. You could do repertoire practice and materials. So that's kind of what you're working on. So these are some interesting topics to get involved with. So that is pretty much the structure of the forum at the moment. I've not added anything else yet because I want to see what you all start posting and how it kind of goes for the first few weeks, and then I'll maybe add some extra sections if that makes sense. But for now, I think this is a good place to get started. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you over in the forum. Please don't hesitate to ask me any questions. You can post them in the forum. That would be great. So that means that I can answer them there. And yeah, see you very soon. Happy harping.